This is the AVA13 by Ateliers Vaucanson. It is a French pinwheel calculator. Let's multiply 256 by itself. First I do it 6 times. Shift the carriage to the tens digit. And now multiply it 5 times, or 50 times really. Shift to the hundreds digit and multiply it 2 times. So it's now 256 times 256 is 65,536. On the front it says Koninklijke Landmacht, which is the Dutch Royal Army. It also says waarde, which means worth or value, and it's 425 Dutch guilders. Over the top of this is a tag with the army's inventory number for this machine. The actual serial number and model is on the back. Ateliers Vaucanson was a company in France that used to make precision instruments, like clocks, speedometers and cinema equipment. They started making calculators in 1932. It was founded in 1914. The company is named after Jacques de Vaucanson, who was an inventor who designed many machines, like an all-metal lathe and an automatic loom, and he's best remembered really for his music boxes and amazing automata, like the digesting duck, a robotic duck that could eat food and then poo out fake poo. In 1956, Ericsson acquired the majority of the shares of the company, and then Vaucanson began to manufacture Ericsson phones, mostly the popular Cobra Erica phone. After that, the Vaucanson name was dropped. Now I'll do a division. I'll shift the carriage all the way to the right. I'll divide the usual 355 by 113, which is the approximation to pi. I have to clear the counter to make sure this is on 0. And set this to division mode so that the counter now will count the subtractions. And here we go. It pings for an overflow. There we go, it can't go any further. And the result is 3.1415929. The remainder is 23. That was the AVA13 by Ateliers Vaucanson. Thank you for watching.